Welcome back, money makers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, I stay making you find new opportunities, and this is called Peerspace. I know no one has even heard of this one. So basically, Peerspace is an ambassador program, and you can get paid to share. You like creating content for social media, you can start earning real cash back when you post about Peerspace. So why do you want to be in this ambassador program? Or why should you become an ambassador? We know people who use Peerspace are some of the most creative and inspiring people in the world. And now we want to reward you for helping tell our story to others on Instagram or TikTok. So it's basically just giving random people or your followers, promotion of the Peerspace. As if you been through their program and you know a lot, and you can they pretty much vouch for them. And so basically, you can make money by joining their ambassador program. You can enter content challenges to be eligible for cash back. You can post videos. These are just all the ways you can make money from them. You can complete challenges by posting content from your next production shoot, party, or team offsite in a Peerspace studio, and you can get rewarded for cash back based on your content's performance. So here's how you can apply to become a Peerspace ambassador. So be sure to use the same email as your Peerspace account. By clicking on the submit, you agree to the terms of the program. So just read those, click on this terms, the link, and you'll be okay. So they just want your first name, your last name, your email, your Instagram, your TikTok, the country of residence, your presence, tell us where you were born, and then submit it. And so basically it's an approval process. If they like the content that you create, and they want to brand with you and they want to partner with you to promote their products and stuff like that, it's a win-win, because not only are you promoting their products and you're advertising their company, they're going to bring more people to you, because they know that the more promotion that they give to your channel is going to bring more people to your channel, and the more promotion you give to them is going to bring more people to them. So it's a win-win for both of you guys. So don't sleep on this program. I highly recommend. If you don't know a little bit about this, you can just take a look and just kind of browse through it, and see what they're about. So they do a whole lot of other things that you can, kind of make money from too. So just don't limit yourself to that. You can rent out spaces and things of that nature, and then flip it that way. I highly recommend that you join their ambassador program. So don't miss out on that. But that's kind of all I have for you guys. You can kind of go through this and do this yourself. But other than that, you have a great and wonderful day. Bye.